Hi, welcome back to Soggy Granola. I am so glad you're here. First of all, happy Halloween. We have made it to the end of October, which I'm super excited about. I hope you've been enjoying the Halloween content I've put out this month. I know that I had so much fun putting it together for you. We are moving into Thanksgiving, and then my personal favorite is Christmas. So be on the lookout. I have lots of fun things planned for both of those holidays coming up. Rounding out the fall and Halloween videos, I'm gonna be sharing with you 3 more fall activities that you can do with your littles. This video isn't going to be groundbreaking, but I think it's important to note that it doesn't take a lot of supplies or a lot of time or prep work to do things with your kids that are fun and that make memories. So we're going to share some pretty basic activities today just to serve as a reminder that it doesn't have to be some large production or expensive project. So let's go ahead and get started. For this first activity, you are going to need some spaghetti. You're also going to need some critters or eyeballs, spiders, anything that you would like to put inside of the spaghetti. You're just going to make the spaghetti as instructed on the box. And then I just did layers. So I did a thin layer of spaghetti, and then I put some of the different critters and creepy crawlies, put another layer of spaghetti. I found that it was easier to do this than actually bury each of the items inside the spaghetti. Then you can give it to your child and let them go to town exploring, digging, and maybe even taking a few bites. This next activity is super simple. We picked up a few pumpkins at our local pumpkin patch, and then I just picked up this really inexpensive carving kit from Target. I think it was like $4. And then I have some glow sticks, which actually didn't end up working, so I had to pull out one of my little battery operated tea light candles, but I love the idea of a glow stick inside of the pumpkin instead of a candle. For this last activity, it's really honestly pretty simple. Just take your child outside. Let them explore, talk about the different things that they are seeing and feeling and hearing. The crunchy leaves, it recently has rained here, so the leaves weren't as crunchy as they are when it's nice and dry. So my son got to talk about how they're wet, but they're still a little bit crunchy. the different colors that he sees, sticks, stones. Getting your kids out in nature is really such a great educator because there's so much that they can learn. There's so much that they can talk about and learn about the world around them. So that wraps up today's video. I hope that you enjoyed, and I also hope that you found my videos this month helpful and inspiring and were able to take some of these ideas and implement them in your home. Be on the lookout for Thanksgiving videos coming next week with Christmas videos shortly after. If you found this content helpful, I would love if you would consider subscribing to my channel. I post new videos on Tuesdays and Fridays and would love to have you be part of this community. It was so great having you today, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!